In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix try again later error on Instagram. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the try again later error occurs when you try to follow someone or when you try to just like a video, comment on a video, or do whatever on Instagram and the error pops up. So the reason for the error might be your Wi-Fi. So reason for the error might be your internet connection. So first you might want to check your internet connection and if it's working all right. And if that's not the issue might be on your Instagram. So what we'll do is we'll just open up our Instagram, tap on the three lines on the top right. And after you do that, scroll down all the way down till you find the help center right there. Tap on help. After you tap on help, tap on report a problem, select report a problem, and tap on don't include, and right here you will need to explain your problem to the Instagram team. So just write hello and write something along the line that I have this problem that says try again later in my account. So try to explain your problem. Now this might be due to when you try to comment or when you try to like or even when you try to follow someone. So specify your problem and you might even add a screenshot to this technical report, and after you do that you can just tap on send, and after you tap on send your feedback will be sent to Instagram support team. Now what happens is after you do that, Instagram will see your problem, they will try to fix your problem, and they will get back to you. So doing this will help you fix your problem, and that is all for the video. Thank you guys. I hope you guys fix this problem and stay tuned for more.